Oh, coach, now I'm very expensive during. Hi, lovelies. Good morning, and how are you all doing? I hope you're enjoying your Christmas season holiday activities already. Because me, I'm already enjoying mine. So I want to start my exercise. You know, I told you I'll be having my exercise back to back because I really need to share some weight. In Lagos, is either school runs, you need to go out very early for a meeting. You need to, you know, start life activities very early. Most times I tend not to do my exercise because of all that. But in this village, I spent 2 days already. Because in the morning you need to arrange, you need to do 1 or 2 things. But today, I said no to all that. I'm just waking up and this is about 7 what? Let me check. This is 7:30. I just woke up. So I'm gonna hit the exercise band. So we are harvesting their hair, water leaf. I never bala before. I do this small. Is that what like this one now? Pasta for me. As it's supposed to. Bring my skipping rope too. Oh, coach, now I'm very expensive during. Okay. It's a name of Maggie na buy a mirror of ma. Why this kind of fly they follow me now? I know people, what is it? Village life is very, very sweet. Everywhere so serene and environment calm. So this is all spilling cassava. We want to process garri. So stay tuned on my channel as we bring you the process of how to make your garri from the beginning. Like this is the scratch, and you know we'll be making the garri in 4 days time because you need to soak it and all that. See you guys. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, okay? Come from different angles. Come closer. If I fast to you. No, see, I did fast. Here and the shike. Hi. Let's see. Sir? Oh, you know you did the body. I'm not having a battery. Video, that. 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Let me check it. Hi guys, how are you all doing? Have you posted cassava before? She said we do Ajibo finish for town. We'll come back village. Okay, next thing we'll do is to do our lippy soap. Zoom what I'm doing properly. You want to cover camera? Stop. You want to go and give it?
Cough. Which one they cough? Let them see say go they cough. You get cough. Fowl come outside.
The little one I do now, no see the head and the tail. I thought when they harvest water leaf. Water leaf now enter cassava. I'm checking. Some people already. So what dog is still? So I want to buy all these things. Now here the corner one. See of my kid not to like this.
Oh, for very calories.
For the 1,000. Make a promise. Oh, cover me. You need that on a Lagos no paper. I'm just telling spicy. I'm making kids. Knowing that paper, I will probably. You can do it. Thank you. If we can make me. Wow, things are so expensive in this. Asala has it been washed? Before then, I don't tire. Make I go rest more. Okay, I need to eat fufu first. I bought fufu from market. If you see, let me show you. I got one more onion. Then 100 naira. Upon non a village cano, upon saying a village, see 100 naira something. One wrap of my hand. I carry it like that. Listen, no say a short video go do me. All that cassava, oh, don't feed the money. Some na for garri, some na for tapioca. You make it as flat as possible. After I'm really dealt with this cassava. They are so strong. Unlike mine. This one how much?
And then, yeah, 250.
Like this now? 250. Because of because it's Hamatan period.
Now, dry season. Guys, in the Lagos.
Look at how dirty my daughter is looking. She has so played today. We don't do for today. Yeah, but you need to change you go.
That's why I want to light on.
Alvin.